would ever thought na may straight namin? They're always looking at us as a low-level team. Tapos maka-straight set kami, a more experienced team. Malaking bagay sa amin yun, moral booster sa mga bata yun. Though nag-prepare talaga kami dyan kahapon. Kaso nga, hindi nila, yung preparation ko, eto yung blocker mo, eto yung blocker mo, hindi nila ginawa ngayon. But I stick to our original plan. No? Dito ka muna, Marina, you stay here, you stay here. Eh, naging effective naman kasi ang lakas ng depensa. Maski ako nagugulat. Sobrang lakas ng depensa namin. And last time, kasi last game, we were struggling doon sa counter-attack namin. Ngayon, hindi kami nag-i-struggle. Kaya, masaya ako. Si Marina, parang sinapian birthday yata nito. Happy birthday, Marina. Ganda ng nilaro niya. You played a good game than the previous one. So, thank you. But,
don't say about first game, please.